Good Tuesday morning. It is July 29th, 2025. This is Loudoun County with Outlook. Going to be a hot and dry day today, although a bit of humidity around will make it feel like 100 or so in the afternoon. So it's going to be a hot one for sure. Not really a chance of any showers or storms today. Tomorrow, the hottest in this stretch, possibly highs in the upper 90s. There could be a few spots that flirt with 100. I think that may be kind of hard to do. Heat indexes will be probably close to 105, but probably just under heat advisory criteria. Maybe an isolated shower storm late in the afternoon, evening time. Then Thursday, cloudy, humid, good chance of showers and storms, especially during the afternoon. We'll have to watch to see if any become severe. We could see some isolated, heavier rain showers as well, so we'll be watching for that as the day goes on. Would not be surprised if we get outlook for potential for severe weather that day for sure. Then on Friday, maybe some lingering showers, but much, much cooler. Highs on Friday, only in the mid-70s. It'll be kind of cloudy, but I think we could see some clearing late in the day. The weekend is just looking amazing. Highs around 80 degrees both days. Nighttime lows around 60, maybe upper 50s for the cooler spots. Around 60 for most of us. Looks nice. Early next week, we start to slowly warm up. It looks like we'll probably get hotter towards the end of next week. Back to more normal temperatures, mid and upper 80s is not abnormal for this time of year. And humidity will slowly creep back up as well. But enjoy this weekend after today and tomorrow's heat. We need the rain, to kind of keep our lawns growing and everything green. So that's good for Thursday. And then the weekend looks just amazing. Beyond that, we should, let's look at the overall rain amounts here possible over the next couple of days. As I mentioned, the local here, it's going to be about inch to inch and a half of rain, I think, based on what I'm seeing from the models. Again, most of this happening on Thursday. So that's what we're showing, maybe inch and a quarter, something like that on Thursday. Again, if you get a thunderstorm, it could be a lot more. And then I think the thing to look at here and kind of be excited about is the 6 to 10 day forecast. Temperatures locked into the below normal, but in the long range, again, we start moving towards that above normal again. So, highs again up near 90. I mean, that's been the plight of the summer in general. So that's kind of what we've been seeing. All right, so let's go and look at the actual day by day from the forecast itself. Looping through the forecast. Very simple and easy here. Sorry, I jumped way ahead. So as I mentioned, here we're clear, and we start moving forward. We see that, not really a good chance of anything today or tomorrow. So this is Wednesday. Till maybe late in the day, shower storm could happen. But here we are on Thursday, when a better chance of showers and storms, even maybe an area of low pressure along the front, that can help to enhance the rain. We'll have to see. It looks like it's a little heavier south of us. This is into Friday. You see the showers are having a hard time kind of clearing out of here, but eventually the high does its work, pushes all that moisture to the south, and we're very nice for Saturday and Sunday, looking very, very nice. But you see things start to change a little bit. Now, there is some cooler air damming up or pushing down east of the mountains. You can see that by this slagging or sagging ice bars, I'm trying to say. So that's good. I mean, that will keep us cooler. It could start to increase some cloudiness here as we go into Monday, into Tuesday. But it's trying to keep us cooler, but I think it's going to lose ultimately. So by mid and late next week, moisture starts to return. We get a little more humid, and temperatures will also rebound. So look for that late in the week. Daily chances of showers and storms picking back up. It looks like they're on about Tuesday, Wednesday time frame. And this looks very humid and hot again with a high off the East Coast, pumping moisture in here. This is a return to the pattern we had before. But there could be some relief here on the horizon with this high trying to push through this next front and the long range. Whether or not it's as strong as the one we're about to get is to be determined. But a good high, 1030 high here to the north could bring in cooler conditions as well in the long range. No trouble seeing that. Let's just go through the max temperatures. Again, showing us the high temperatures. We will go regional. That really helped the other day to kind of see where the hot temperatures were and what happens. Remember, this is measured in 24-hour blocks, so sometimes you get off hours there. So that's what's going on. So again, up in the 90s today, even hotter tomorrow, touching upper 90s. Maybe not hundreds like we were looking like a couple days ago, but close to it. And then here comes cooler air. You see it pushing down from the north. So that on Friday, Saturday, look at that. I mean, we're in the mid 70s, even 60s showing up here. I mean, that won't be the daytime highs. That's just showing in a 24-hour period. Highs should be in the mid and upper 70s for sure. That's just amazing. Slowly, we'll see our temperatures start to creep up next week. So here we are by Wednesday into the mid 80s and maybe upper 80s. And humidity also increases. And there we go back up near 90 towards the end of next week. So, yeah, it's looking pretty hot. Now, this is pretty cool to see the cooler air, but that has to do with whether or not that front and the low pressure system is kind of increasing the moisture and keeping the days cloudy. So that's why you're seeing that. But eventually, even that gets scoured out, so that we're up in the 90s, into the extended. And then here's that chance for that next cool down way late in the period, if that's to come true, and we'll have to see. But, good chances of cooler air this weekend. Hot conditions will be squished on Thursday after the front comes through. Beautiful weekend. Slowly warming next week, although that cold air damping may hold off the return of heat until late in the week. The humidity will be shooting back up by mid next week. Showers and storms chances as well. And then maybe in the very long extended another relief. But that's, towards the middle part of August at that point. All right, have an awesome Tuesday. Figure Loud County with Outlook.